Good afternoon, my beautiful people. Welcome to Ketchikan, Alaska. We made it.
Back again.
Back again for the second time. Love it.
Y'all can see the little sign right above our head.
Yes, and y'all, it is a beautiful day today. Again, a little chilly, but it's still the sun is shining, skies are blue, and we here, baby. What you think?
I'm happy to be here again. We're going to go do our little first stop that we need to do after getting to Alaska.
You know.
Walk around. We ain't got nothing planned today. We're just going to enjoy the town, walk around. We're only here for like 5 hours, so.
Exactly. Got to be back on the ship at 5:30. We're just going to take a view of this time because last time we jumped around at a few places and that was it. But this time we're going to try to go into all the stores, just do a little more sightseeing.
Yeah.
And maybe go to the Red Saloon and get that drink.
I don't know if that's here. I think that's at a different port. That's
sorry, y'all. Wrong area.
She don't know, but she knows. She knows, but she don't know. She was on the right path. But we're going to head down here, see what we can see. It's so beautiful here, y'all. It's just so green.
Maybe find a bite to eat and go from there.
Let's go, guys.
Come on. What's going on, people? We got off, we did a stroll, we made it down here to Jellyfish Donuts. Now this is one of the places that we looked up online and people were raving about coming to get a donut from Jellyfish Donuts. So we're gonna go inside and see what they got us to offer and see what kind of specials they got. Come on along with us. So guys, we made it in to the Jellyfish Donuts, and as you can see, they have all kind of sweatshirts and t-shirts and all kind of handmade earrings. Just a very local mom and pop's place. Really cool in this little spot. So if you ever come to Ketchikan, come check out Jellyfish Donuts. And we did, guys, get the donut. And the donut that we decided to get was the specialty donut, strawberry cheesecake. It looks delicious looking at it from the outside, so I hope it looks and tastes just as good as it looks. So you guys, here it is, this strawberry cheesecake. I'm gonna let y'all get the first bite. Bless you, baby.
Ooh.
I'm gonna let y'all guys get their first bite. You see that? It looked like it got a strawberry glaze on it. Strawberry wafers. I'm a fan of those.
Yeah, me
and I
too.
don't know what that crumble is, but we're gonna take a bite and see what it's about. Let's
It
go.
looked good. Oh.
I like the taste. The donut is very thick.
It did look thick.
It's
Like when
thick. The donut is thick, but you guys can see how thick it is, though. It's like cakey to me.
when she was biting it, I was like, how long is this bite gonna take? So it must be thick. It's
Not
good,
bad. Not bad at all.
Let me try that thing, cause y'all know I'm the sweets guy.
He'll have a better opinion of it than me. What you think, baby?
Flavor's good. I'm not necessarily a fan of the consistency of the dough. You know what I mean?
I get what you're saying. When you think of cake, when you think of donut, you don't think of that texture, that filling. But it's
I guess
thick.
it also don't help. When we were in Vancouver 2 days ago, I got the best donut of my life. But this ain't bad. The flavor great. I do like the flavor.
Rating it? What you rate it? Me?
Flavor at 8. Donut itself, maybe a 5.
Total, I give it like a 5.5.
Yeah.
5 out of 10, like my sister would say.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna eat it.
Y'all know he gonna eat it. But yeah, once again, you guys, if you ever come to Ketchikan, Alaska. Ketchikan, Alaska. Come check out the Jellyfish Donut. It's right across, once your ship ports, it's right across the street, not too far. So come check it out, you guys.
And I would say don't, get one, they're good. don't get too many because it's very thick and filling.
She thick.
Yeah. I gotta do a quick little update on the rating. After eating the whole thing, Tanya didn't want no more. After eating the whole thing, I'm gonna give the taste a 8.5 and the donut itself a 6. It's just a donut of its own. It's a different kind of donut. That's how I had to realize. But it ain't bad. I didn't mind it. I'd get it again. Alright, you guys, we made it to Creek Street.
Creek Street.
Normally there's a bunch of salmon running through this thing, but we ain't here when it's happening.
Once again, we missed the salmon again.
For the red light district because of its close proximity to the harbor where the prosperous fishing fleet moored. Creek Street was good to Dolly, who was an exceptional businesswoman. The creek was a party line, a place where men visited for drinks, conversation, and companionship.
Actually standing inside of Dolly's house, and this house was ran a prostitution, and I am just overwhelmed, you guys, just because she left it as it is. So we paid $10 for a tour upstairs, downstairs, and now we're actually standing in the kitchen part of this place. But this is something that was done in Juneau back in the day. Ketchikan, sorry, wrong place. Man, I am over. What? Yeah, I can't believe it. You guys, we are standing in the bathroom of Dolly's place. You see these lovely decorations here? Guess what they are? Protection.
What's up, you guys? We done pretty much finished our Ketchikan.
I think the adventure is over with for today.
We've been sitting here chilling the last hour, just enjoying the sun before we get on the ship. It's about time to head back.
Yes, but we just here to let y'all know what the day, wrapping up the day. We walked around, got a few snacks, got the tour at Dolly's place.
Man, that was cool.
What a way to see a freak show.
Yeah, that was cool.
I love it. That was nice. I bought a tote bag. Hey.
Got some fudge, man. That's all we really did was get snacks. I'm happy about that.
I mean, at the end of the day, when you do come to a Ketchikan, it's several restaurants here, but everything, like once again, everything is busy and jumping. So everything has a wait, and we was just not with the waiting today. We didn't want to wait today, so we just decided to snack it out.
One of the cool things, we are like sitting right across from the ship, as y'all can see. The thing up in the air, and there's actually a bald eagle right over there on that pole, which is pretty awesome. We're just enjoying the day.
We're just enjoying the day, and it was a beautiful day. It was a little windy. We didn't have on too many clothes. What we had on was enough for us to layer up. Other than that, I wanted some fish from somewhere, But like I told you guys, the lines were so long, and I wasn't with the waiting today,
Yeah.
so I was just snapped it out. But maybe in the next stop, I'm gonna get me some fish.
Well, let's head back on this ship. We don't want to hear the horn from right here. We want to hear it from up there.
We don't want to
so-
be peruanos. Don't.
No.
I'm done with you.